How to leave group in Viber. Hello everybody, welcome to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can leave a group in Viber. It is very easy, you just need to follow some steps. So let's get started with it without any further delay. So what you need to do is open your Viber and click on the file group that you wanna leave. Let's say this is a group I want to leave. So what you need to just do is tap on the three dot icon at the top right, and here you can see the chat info option. Just tap on it and scroll down and you can see the leave and delete option with the red font. So just tap on it and tap on leave and delete. And there you go, you have successfully left the group in Viber very easily. You just need to follow the steps. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe option.